One day, on his third birthday, Kaikee got a beautiful Aircover owl alarm clock. He loved it so much. This clock could do all kinds of things. Help him nap, wake him up, light up in bright colors, and play nature sounds and music. Every night before he went to sleep, Kaikee set his owl alarm clock. It woke him up every morning without fail. In time to eat his pancakes before school. But then, one fateful night, Kaikee set his alarm and fell soundly asleep.
Kaikee, wake up! You're late for school!
Oh no! My owl dropped the door!
Your owl clock has been taken. In order to find her, you have to solve 6 clues.
This is the taste.
Clue number 1. It's cereal. Where do you find me? 1. In the laundry room. 2. In the kitchen. Or in a potato.
In the kitchen!
The next clue is toothpaste. Do you find me in 1. the garage?
No.
2. a potato? Or 3. in the bathroom?
Upstairs in the bathroom.
All right!
A shoe?
Clue number 3 is a shoe.
Oh?
Where do you find me? 1. in the bedroom.
No.
Number 2. in a potato.
No.
Number 3. by the front door.
Yeah. Let's go. Found it.
Clue number 4 is a dryer sheet. Where do you find me? Number 1. in the laundry room.
Yeah.
Number 2. in a potato. Number 3. in the backyard. Where do you find me?
In the laundry room. Book?
Clue number 5 is a book. Where do you find me? Number 1. in the bathroom. Number 2. in a potato.
Huh?
Number 3. on your bookshelf.
On my bookshelf.
All right, your last clue is a leaf. Where do you find me? Number 1. in the kitchen.
No.
Number 2. in a potato.
No.
Number 3, in the front yard.
In the front yard.
Good job, Kaikee.